Hey guys, changing the ballast real quick. First thing we do is remove our bulbs. What I do is rotate them whichever way they want to spin. And once they're 90 degrees, look at that. Two little tabs, they just slide in and right out. What we're gonna do next is there's this metal cover that covers the ballast. There's just little metal tabs that lock in place, and it's kind of just feel it and kind of wiggle it out. Our drum teacher's gonna love this. We'll have lights back in this room. Lowe's and Greer. Good stuff. Look at that, Matt. You walked right to it. T8. We're gonna bundle all the wires up. Once we're done with that, we're gonna put the cover back on and wrap this up. All right, now we put our cover back in place.